In recent time, many Nigerians have emigrated from the country, with more planning to japa to relocate abroad. Apparently, Yoruba Nollywood actors, actresses, and celebrities are not exempt from this. In this video, we'll be looking at Yoruba Nollywood actors, actress, and entertainer who lives abroad. Number 1. Sanyeri. Majorly because of the comic roles he plays in movies, many people don't seem to take actor Olaniyi Afonja aka Sanyeri serious. However, despite his on-screen artist, Sanyeri is one man who has been intentional about raising his family and exposing them to opportunities. His beautiful wife Omolara and their two sons Boluwatife and Olasukomi are based in Canada right now. In a video which surfaced on the internet some months ago, many Nigerians were excited by the foreign accent of the children. That was especially so because their father and mother mainly speaks in Yoruba language. Olaniyi Afonja also stated that he believes the best investment he can make for the children's life is to make sure that they are successful in life. He said he cannot jeopardize their future for anything. Either he have much or he didn't have much. He said he will do everything within his capacity to ensure that his children will not have any cause in future to abuse him or describe him as an irresponsible father. Number 2. Okuno. Even without speaking, actor Wale Akorede, popularly known and called Okuno, sent his fans reeling with laughter because of his funny mannerism. Though he started his acting career in 1984, it wasn't until some years later that he started getting the much needed recognition in the industry. However, despite the carefree character he usually portrays in the movie, Okuno does not joke with the welfare of his family. His wife, Wumi, and 3 kids, which is Jumoke, Hazan, and Modupe, are based in Canada right now. At a time, the actor also used to live in Saudi Arabia, but he returned to Nigeria after a while. Speaking on why he left Saudi Arabia, he said, "Yes, there was a point in my life when I relocated to Saudi Arabia, but after giving it a second thought, I realized there is no place like home. Yes, Nigeria is my home." For more entertaining updates and information, kindly hit on subscribe button, like this video, and drop your comment in the comment section. Number 3. Mr. Latin. The Amushans actor Bolaji Amushan, popularly known and called Mr. Latin, is another comic actor that is loved by many, though he based in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. Mr. Latin's wife, Ronke, and children, a son and a daughter, lives in Dublin, Ireland. Mr. Latin married Ronke in 1999, and their relationship has continued to blossom over the years. The actor, who is the current president of the Theatre Art and Movie Practitioners Association of Nigeria, is particularly fond of his wife, and he makes no secret about that. Speaking on why he decided for his family to stay abroad, he said, "It was the idea of the two of us. There was a long strike by teachers at a time, and we thought such will not give our children what we really wanted for them. We decided to relocate to abroad, but because of the nature of my job, I cannot stay over there with them." The actor also stated that he had never been tempted to marry another wife, despite his wife not being in the country with him. He said, "I can never marry another wife. My wife is my mother. She's my sister. She's my friend and confidant. She is a very loyal and trustworthy person. I don't have any reason to marry another wife." Number 4. Bayo Bankole, popularly known and called Boy Alinko, famously known for his role as Boy Alinko in the Wale Adenuga family drama Papa Ajasko. Bankole, according to the report, was the first to relocate to the US among his colleagues in the comedy show. The proud old woman from Abeokuta won the US visa lottery and landed in the US with his green card. He presently resides in Arlington, Texas, and is an entrepreneur who also does logistic business alongside a bit of entertainment business as a side hustle. Number 5. Babatunde Owokoniran. The famous Yoruba actor left Nigeria a few years ago to the US to raise his family the proud husband and father, still shuttle between Nigeria and the US for his acting career. Number 6. Big Val, Joko Toye. The Nigerian Nollywood Yoruba actor who came to the limelight after the production of the movie Omo Pupa, which was released in 2008, is officially now an American citizen. He relocated to the United States of America to marry his Nigeria-American wife. Number 7. Raza Ajao, popularly called Arausong. The veteran Nollywood actor Raza Ajao, popularly known and called Arausong Pefu Elele Pefu, won the US visa lottery and has since relocated to the US. The actor, who started his acting journey in 1979, now lives in New York while practicing a nurse in Bellevue Hospital in Manhattan. Although he works in Manhattan but based in Queenville. Lot of celebrities in Nigeria have relocated to abroad. Why do you think they are doing this, despite the fact they are famous and they have money in Nigeria? Drop your reactions and comment in the comment section. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Drop your comment, like this video and share. Thank you.
Ah, yeah, I'm the one. Nolani. Mọ̀dé dàgbà wọn sọ pé mo mẹ́ni tó ń ṣeré ẹ̀ o, èmi gangan lèmi, ẹ ò ní fẹ́ lòmí ṣe mí. Èmi gangan lèmi, ẹ ò ní fẹ́ lòmí ṣe mí. Ah, yeah, I'm the one. Nolani.
My grace na auto. Wọ́n fẹ́ bá mi yẹ fọ́tò. Èmi ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ on God, wọ́n lé wọ́n bá ti yẹ on God. My grace na auto. Wọ́n fẹ́ bá mi yẹ fọ́tò. Èmi ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ on God, wọ́n lé wọ́n bá ti yẹ on God.
White mọ́tò wo lẹ ń sẹ́ndì sí yàn ṣé kò pẹ́ ẹ sọ fún wọn pé fẹ́ ta mọ́tò yìí.
ẹ̀gbọ́n ní sùúrù náà ẹ farabalẹ̀ náà kí ló ṣe yín náà ọmọ ikọ̀ nìyí náà ṣé mo gbé fọ́sẹ̀ sórí mọ́tò yìí ni ṣé mo kọ̀ fẹ́ sáré fi ṣe ọrọ̀ ajé ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ṣe báyìí.
White mọ́tò wo lẹ ń sẹ́ndì sí yàn ṣé kò pẹ́ ẹ sọ fún wọn pé fẹ́ ta mọ́tò yìí.
ẹ̀gbọ́n ní sùúrù náà ẹ farabalẹ̀ náà kí ló ṣe yín náà ọmọ ikọ̀ nìyí náà ṣé mo gbé fọ́sẹ̀ sórí mọ́tò yìí ni ṣé mo kọ̀ fẹ́ sáré fi ṣe ọrọ̀ ajé ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ṣe báyìí.
White mọ́tò wo lẹ ń sẹ́ndì sí yàn ṣé kò pẹ́ ẹ sọ fún wọn pé fẹ́ ta mọ́tò yìí.
ẹ̀gbọ́n ní sùúrù náà ẹ farabalẹ̀ náà kí ló ṣe yín náà ọmọ ikọ̀ nìyí náà ṣé mo gbé fọ́sẹ̀ sórí mọ́tò yìí ni ṣé mo kọ̀ fẹ́ sáré fi ṣe ọrọ̀ ajé ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ṣe báyìí.